Marketing is part of how you show the world you can solve its problems. This is by Catherine Jones, my good friend based in North Carolina. Hi, Catherine. Well, my name is Victor Quajer, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come your way with Business Building Blocks, episode 36 for 2023. Now, if a business solves problems, which I've already said many times, then marketing surely is telling the world what you have to help them to solve those problems. If your marketing strategy and promotional campaign is not convincing to the target client of your ability to solve or help them solve their problem, it will be a challenge to get them to part with their hard-earned cash. Now, a business focused on solving or helping clients solve their problems and communicating, that's the key, communicating that effectively gives itself a good leverage and a chance to become successful and be around for a long time to come. Always remember this though, problem solvers never lose. Think about that. And I hope this sets you thinking. But just before you go, as a business success coach and consultant, I'll be more than glad to help you if you're seeking to start a business or you're already in business and looking to grow and expand your business. With over 25 years experience in business, I'll be more than glad to help you to achieve your goals as an entrepreneur, aspiring entrepreneur. And also get ready for our soon to be launched podcast, which is going to be very educational, informative, and insightful to help you entrepreneur journey in other areas of life. And business owners will have the opportunity to be interviewed to share their story over time. And finally, if 2023 is a year you have desired and seek to write and publish that book you've been yearning to do, take advantage of the book writing workshop, which I've put together coming on the 18th of March 2023. It's a Saturday, 8 p.m. GMT. It's an online event, so you can join from anywhere in the world. We had the first one in January, and it was glorious. The reviews has been great, and every attendee was inspired to write their book. They were informed, they had the strategies, and I've been checking on some of them, and they are already in the process of getting the book finished, completed for us to help them to publish it. So take advantage of it. I put this together for you, just for you, who desire to become a writer and a published author. Get in touch, we're more than glad to help you. If you like this video, please like, comment, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel and share it. Share the channel, share what you like about it with your friends and your network, and get them to also become part of their platform. Thank you once again, and God richly bless you. Continue to enjoy your week.